Hey folks, all right, Chevy Cruze LTZ 2011. I think, I'm not going to say which generation it is. I am replacing my clicker. The signals will work, but when I turn right and I turn the wheel and when I straighten, it will not go back to neutral position. So, it's actually looking really simple. There's a screw in the bottom. It's like this little guy, and it is a 7mm. That's different. Anyways, there's one on the very bottom, and then you gotta turn the wheel 90. There's one right here, and then turn the other direction. There's one right there, obviously back here. And then on top of that, it looks like there's a little pin right here. Pop that, and there's a pin on the top. And if you get both of them pressed, it just pops right out. Now I can get to my cord, and I don't know if I can do this with two hands, but it looks like you just pull it. Let's see here. There we go. Ooh, check that out. All right. Yep, it looks like there was a little bit of a grab thing there. So there's the old one, and here's the new one. They feel about the same. Okay, the old one's got a sticker there that says China, and this one does not. Interesting. But that's kind of cool. I've got a date on there. 07/28/2024. Interesting. Alright, we're just going to click this into here. Like so. This clicks into here. And just like that, that's there. Let's see if it makes a difference. Alright, I got left blinker, I got right blinkers on. You go ahead and turn right. Hey, and it turns off. And you go left, turn back, hey, it turns off. There you go, guys. And then you just go to button her all back up. It's all kind of snaps. That kind of just goes like there. This piece is separate, but I didn't need to move that. It just kind of clicks, and then there's the bottom piece. All right, cool. Happy campers.